Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you a new method to cook rice to eliminate arsenic. As you know, most rice in most countries are contaminated with arsenic, and best way to do that is to cook it with lots of water. It's like when you cook pasta. Then remove the liquid and I'll show you how to continue with the rice. Using enough water, add enough salt. Now cover and let it boil. The water is boiling. I will add the rice that I soaked for 30 minutes and I drained. Now after you add the rice, do not cover it. Now the rice will start to expand and the color will change. At the beginning it's solid white. Now it will turn into more like a translucent white. And also you can taste it in your mouth. It's when it is almost done, you know now it's time to strain it. Or you take some and you break it in your finger. You see it can break very easily. Now just strain it. Back to the stove using ghee. I'll put the rice back. Try not to turn it much at this point. Cover and cook on very low heat. Now it's been 8 minutes and now I will turn it. Now cover and cook for another 1 or 2 minutes and that's it, it's done. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel.